This is Honor X7a, and in today's video I will show how you can check the authenticity of this device. So first, make sure that you have the phone itself and the packaging it came inside near you. Then launch settings at the phone. Then go for the About Phone category. In here, open status page, and serial number is the spec that we are currently interested in. So at the device packaging, or in the box, at the box rather, well, literally at the box, you should have the sticker saying what email numbers you have and what's as serial number or S/N do you have as well. So if the serial number over here and over there correspond and they are identical, you can be 99.9% sure that you are indeed an owner of the original Honor X7a. But furthermore, you can also check whether the email numbers correspond as well. So let me quickly find those. I'm not 100% sure where. Oh, actually, here they are. So check whether those two email numbers correspond with the email 1 and email 2 you have at the packaging sticker. And if they are, or if they do, just don't worry and be sure that you indeed have an authentic and original Honor X7a. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.